In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to perform a one-sample t-test by using SPSS. So I have SPSS open, and what I have is just some example data from a class in a school, and what these represent are scores on a test out of 100. And within this I have 15 pupils data, and basically what I want to know is I want to compare this class's performance against the average performance within that country. And let's say that the average performance in the country had a score of 58. So what I want to do is compare these results to the average, which is 58. To perform a one-sample t-test in SPSS, you go to Analyze, you then scroll down to Compare Means, and then what you want to click on is One Sample T-Test. So within the new window, what you want to do is to move the variable over that you're going to include in the test. So this one is, in this example, I'm going to move over the class scores. And then the next thing you need to do is actually include the value that it's going to be compared against. So in this, if you remember in my example, I want to compare it against the national score, and the score on this test was 58, so I'm going to put 58 in the test value box, and I'm going to click OK to run the test. So if you then go to the output window in SPSS, you'll then see the results of the test. So let's just go through these tables in more detail. First table is the one sample statistics table, and this is just displaying some general information about the data. So you've got the N numbers, so there's 15 individuals, the average score, the standard deviation, and the standard error of the mean. And then if you scroll down, you'll then see the results of the test itself. So you'll see at the top the test value here I was comparing against was 58. So if you go through each of the things of the test in the table, you've got the t statistic here, you've got the degrees of freedom, the p-value, so this is 0.003. So in this instance, the p-value is very significant. And if you look at our descriptives here, you'll see that the average score for the class was actually 62 points. And this is above 58. So what you can say is that this class performed significantly better on this test compared to the national average. Go back to the table, you'll also see the mean difference. So there was 4.733 points difference between the test value and the mean of the class in this instance. And then you've also got the 95% confidence intervals between the two means. So that is how you can perform a one-sample t-test using SPSS.